Understanding the phrase, love thy neighbor. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and meaningful phrase, love thy neighbor. This phrase is not just about language, but also about culture and values. So, let's dive in and understand what it really means and how you can use it in your daily English conversations. The phrase, love thy neighbor, originates from the Bible, specifically from the books of Leviticus and Matthew. It's a principle that emphasizes the importance of treating others with kindness and respect, just as you would want to be treated. This phrase has been adopted in many cultures and languages, symbolizing a universal value of compassion and empathy. Literally, love thy neighbor means to show love and kindness to the people living near you. However, figuratively, it extends much beyond just your physical neighbors. It's about showing kindness, respect, and compassion to all people you interact with, regardless of their relation to you. This phrase teaches us about tolerance, understanding, and altruism. In everyday English, you might hear, love thy neighbor, in discussions about morality, ethics, and community behavior. It's often used to remind people about the importance of being kind and considerate to others. For example, if someone is talking about a conflict in their community, another might say, we should remember to love thy neighbor and try to understand each other. The phrase, love thy neighbor, has had a significant impact on various cultures around the world. It's often referenced in literature, movies, and speeches, especially when talking about peace, harmony, and social responsibility. Understanding this phrase helps you appreciate these cultural references better and enriches your understanding of English as a language that's deeply connected to its cultural and historical contexts. Thank you for joining us in exploring the phrase, love thy neighbor. We hope this video has helped you understand not just the meaning of the phrase, but also the cultural and ethical values it represents. Remember, learning a language is also about understanding the values and ideas it conveys. Keep practicing, and don't forget to show love and kindness in your journey of learning English. See you in our next video.